Welcome to our tutorial on converting entities. I'm going to right-click on this face, select Sketch, and next I'm going to Shift-select these two edges and click Convert Entities. These two edges are now converted to lines. As you see, the sketch is now black and fully defined, because on the edge a relation is also added. If I delete it, click OK. Now this line is blue and the sketch is underdefined. Next, I'll select this face. Let's click Convert Entities again. You see the outside edges of this face are projected to our sketch plane. In this instance, an edge relation was also added. I'm going to highlight everything and click Delete. Next, I'm going to show you how to use a closed sketch to model a function. First, I'll create a three-point arc. Shift-select these 2 points. Add a vertical relationship. Now let's select the arc and this edge. Add a tangent relation. Next, let's go to the Tools menu. Select Sketch Tools and Close Sketch with Model function. The yellow arrow shows the direction in which the edge will be extracted. We can opt to reverse the direction. Let's click Yes and exit the sketch. Now we'll select Extruded Base Boss, accept the default value, click OK. And this concludes our tutorial on converting entities.